Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? Today's episode we got this cool underline here, and basically what this is the motion sensor solar light. And you see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and for the one that we got right here, it does come in a pack of 4 of them, and then right here is basically what the product looks like. So like I mentioned, for this one in particular is a solar light that has a motion sensor in the middle, and right here is basically the LED light. So first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. So once you guys open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. So inside they do provide guys a lot of stuff. Let's take all of it out. So first the inside right here, you see they do provide guys a bunch of screws that's used to mount it onto the wall. And they provide guys 4 of those, and there is 4 of them inside. Next thing inside they do provide guys 4 of these adhesive tape that you can use to stick it on if you guys don't want to drill it on using screw option. So really cool how they do provide guys different options available. Right here they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. So you can see right here they do mention how it does have 3 different modes when you guys do use it. There's an always on mode, there's a low light motion sensor option, and there's also a high brightness level motion sensor option. But right here you see we do have all 4 of them, and all 4 of them work the same way. So I'm actually take out one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like. So once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So in the front part right here we do have the brand logo. Top part right here we do have the solar panel. Right here we do have the motion sensor option. And right here we do have the button for you to turn it on and turn it off. And then bottom part right here, and we see we do have the LED light. And if you guys notice the way how they design it is pretty cool. It basically shines the light down this way and this side as well. So that way you can get a lot more coverage when you guys do use it. And obviously if it's your first time using the product, you do want to remove the protective film here first. And top part right here is basically where you guys can put the screw when you guys want to mount it onto the wall. And then right here is basically what the back part looks like. So if you guys do end up using the adhesive tape, you basically want to stick it in the back. But that is basically everything that's on the product. First thing I want to do is peel out the part right here first. Alright, so once you guys remove it, then you're ready to start using it. So if you guys press on it 1 time, that basically turns it on. So right now we do have it off. Like I mentioned, if you guys want to turn it on or change different mode, you basically want to press on it 1 time. So you press on it 1 time. This is basically the always on mode. In order for it to turn on, it cannot sense any light on here. So if I do cover up, you can see how it does turn on. But once I let go, it turns off because it detects light. But if you guys press on again, now basically activate the low light motion sensor option. So once it senses motion, it will turn on. And same thing applies to this one as well. In order for it to work, it cannot detect any light. If you guys press on again, now we do have it on the brightest level. And same thing applies to this one as well. In order for it to work, it cannot sense any light. You can see how bright the light is when you guys do use it. And then once you guys do let go, it does turn off. But you see how bright the light is when you guys do use it. It definitely gives you guys that coverage in the front and side like I mentioned. So whether if you guys want to set this in your front door, your patio, your backyard, anywhere else, however you guys want to use it and wherever you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. So now I'm just going to set this up to show you guys what the product looks like if you guys were to actually use it. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. So what I'm going to do right now is put this onto the chair, and we'll turn it on to show you guys how well it works. So we put it right there. Once you guys turn off the light, it should turn on. And you see how it does turn on. And this is basically what the product looks like when you guys use the highest brightness level. If you guys turn it down, this is off, this is always on, and here is low, and then here is high. So what I'll do right now is let it kind of turn off by itself first, and then walk a little bit to test out the motion sensor on here. Alright, so turn off. So if I walk a little bit on here, you can see how it does turn on by itself. Let's try one more time. Alright, so see the product definitely does work. And then once you guys turn back on the light, it turns off by itself. Alright, welcome back guys. So see for that quick little test, the product definitely works pretty well. And like I mentioned, the cool thing about this product is the fact that it does have a solar panel on here. So it doesn't require you guys to pay for electricity when you guys do use it. So all you need to do is just leave this out in direct sunlight and you guys are all set. And the cool thing about this product is the fact that it is water resistant, waterproof, heat resistant, and etc. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing product. Now the actual question of whether or not that's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality motion sensor solar light, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, that basically don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.